So here is some extra money for bigger size, okay? Thank you. How is Siem Reap now? My first impressions of the city and tour around. Let me show you around now. Yesterday I bought these cool pants to visit Angkor, but they are too small, so I have to return it and get bigger one. This is the place where I have usually grilled beef from these guys. Very delicious. Okay. It's a cool branding for mini mart. Angkor mini mart. And the shop with the clothes is not that far from here. Let me take you there. Here is the bridge across the river. I was a little afraid of coming to this city, but I'm pleasantly surprised. People are friendly, food is great, I feel safe here. If I knew that, I would come earlier. This is the river, and this is this is old market. You can buy almost anything there for a very good price. Let me show you around the market. There are lots of various clothes here. Jewelry. Almost anything you want you can find here. And it's pretty big too. All my clothes are in Thailand because I was supposed to be doing just visa run, so I had to buy some clothes here. And as you can see, this shirt, Angkor Wat, I bought it here. So, you can buy food here too. Crossing the street here is always fun. And here is where I usually have fruit shake. All of them cost just $1 and are very tasty. Hello, can I have dragon fruit, mango and passion fruit without sugar? No sugar.
Mango, dragon and passion.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. So I got my fruit shake. Here you can cross the bridge through this lake. And hopefully on the other side of the road I will find the girl who sold me the pants so I can get a better size. Because I can't really walk in the... Yeah, I think it was this way. Slowly reopening here, more and more tourists are coming. Even though it's raining season, and it's raining a little bit sometimes, usually in the evening. During the day the weather is okay. Hello, hello. Oh, I already have that one. Similar. I need to exchange my pants because they're too small. But I need to exchange with the girl I bought it from. Thank you. Thank you. Hello. Can I exchange the pants for bigger size because it's too small? It's too small. I cannot walk in it. Yeah. Okay. I like they're long enough, but I cannot like walk in it. Thank you. Taking pictures here with locals. What's your name? What's your name? Ricky. Oh, Mario. Nice to meet you. And you? Heeey. Oh, nice to meet you, I'm Mario. Oh, nice to meet you. Yeah, Thailand. Yeah, I love Thailand. I've been there before. I came to Cambodia. Oh, Thailand is awesome. Very beautiful island. Yeah, great people, great food. Always smiling. Yeah. So here is some extra money for bigger size. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Huh? For bigger size. Yeah. Thank you. Plastic? No, it's okay. I will have it in my. Okay. Thank you very much. If I need, I will come. Okay. Bye bye. Nice meeting you. Bye bye. Enjoy your trip. So that was interesting. I was actually not local. There are people from Thailand. Very friendly. Took some pictures, videos. And I got my hands. They're bigger finally I can walk in it. And hopefully there will be no issues getting into Angkor Wat. Because you need to respect the temple and to wear long pants, right? So. How do you guys like Siem Reap? Let me know below in the comments. And subscribe for more travel videos. And now you can watch this next video.
Hey, my name is Mario Jurik, and if you like my travel videos, please subscribe and join me on the challenge to visit every single country in the world. Like the video and let me know in the comments which country should I visit next.